Hey guys, James here. We are doing we're doing like a versus video. That guy's 2013 Bluebird Visions, and that guy's GMC. I really don't know what year it is. I'll have to look it up and see what it is. But all right, we're gonna look at the Bluebird. 2013 Bluebird first. It's pretty nice. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Let's go to the inside. Oh, it's GMC. Alright, mirrors work. It's pretty good. Same look on the inside as usual. Not much difference. Just the dashboard's just different. That's it. I almost hear it. Let's do a light test. Lights are off. There goes the stop signs. And door. His door is off. Alright, we're gonna go real quick around the block in it. Pretty nice bus. I like it. Go out with this bus lot. And I'm on a modded Mid-City map for NCPS-RR drivers. So you'd have to be in the company to have this map. This is a pretty nice bus. I like it. It drives good, but it's still got the same normal sounds as usual, but that's what happens. It's alright. That guy's not that bad of a modder. He does pretty good. But he could do better. Oh, shit. Alright, we're gonna take a look at the GMC now. Ooh, that's a nice looking bus. I like what that guy has done to it. Look around the back. The arrow turning signals though, that's my fave. That grill though, that's pretty nice. Alright, let's go to the inside. That startup noise, oh my god, I like that. I like the newer interior that he has done to it. Like that dash right there. Alright, let's look on the outside right quick. Arrow turning signals work. Brakes work. The only thing that doesn't work is... oh, they do work. And so yeah, I'm glad that works finally. I haven't looked at it in a while. Same sound. Let's hear the parking brake. That's nice. Alright, we're gonna take it around the block. Is the blinker on? Yeah. Oh, he just doesn't have turning signal noises. I'm sorry. Ooh, this bus sounds so good. Oh my gosh, it's a nice bus. I like it. Mirrors look nice. Oh, come on, bus. I'm terrible at these turns here. I'll get better one day. That guy did really good with these buses. I like him. Oh, I'm gonna get on my side of the road. Alright, we're gonna pull back up in this bus lot. I guess he was trying to put jackknife doors on this bus because of the way the thing is looking. Let's check out the doors right quick. Oh. It was a little bit messed up. That's alright to me. I don't bother me much. Ooh, that's a nice bus. Like it. Like it, like it, like it. Well, the GMC is my favorite out of them all. So, this is the end of the video. Thank y'all for watching.